This program is brought to you by Chong Tapsilogan and Sizzlers, Access Pro Immigration Services, Ubalaba Ilonggo Air, Porsche Store, Bacolod Wealth Experts, Cook Food and Pastries, 13th Pareya, Ritz Indian Cuisine, NIR Gun Club.
$525,600 minutes.
Doli bago na.
$525,000.
May blending man dyan tayo.
Literally
Hindi lang sakto, pero blending man
Blending
dyan po.
525,600 minutes. 525,000 moments so deep.
Hindi madaya sa mic.
Hindi get.
But seriously, how many songs have you heard that actually refer to time?
Damo-damo. Even yung mag-abri ka lang siguro sa video book na nga song list, damo-damo ka na siguro makita under time and everything else.
Ang isa guro ka literal is Time After Time, no? Ni
Yeah.
Sino ganun nagkanta sa Time After Time?
I think it's Cyndi Lauper.
Cyndi
Cyndi
Lauper.
Lauper,
Ah. Lying in my bed, I hear.
Tanda di si Martin kag si Kokoy, no?
Oo man. Yung
Sila
ilag
pa
ni
kataon ta.
Hindi, intranta na.
Basi lang.
Basic pa lang, no?
Time in a bottle.
But there's a lot of things in our culture that refer to time.
Yes.
True.
Even in the way we talk. Sang una pare, you know. And that is actually the main theme of the movie that we will review today. And we are the Popcorn Collective. I'm Julius Maraveles.
I'm Hannah Papasin.
I'm Jay Espino.
Let's do it the way big networks do it. Okay. I'm Julius Maraveles.
I'm Hannah Papasin.
I'm Jay Espino.
And then madungan ta, like the way the big networks do it, diba?
And this is
And this is
the
Popcorn
Popcorn Collective.
The mga abnormal tanong. Anyway, so today, seriously this time, we are going to review the movie Predestination.
Yeah.
In the first place, what does it mean? Predestination. You arrive before you arrive? Kung kay George Carlin pa. What exactly does it mean?
Actually, ang movie deals with the concept of your life being already determined by a higher being, supposed to be. In that case, ang system. The system, the government itself. Gin-chart niya na yung life sang aton nga protagonist even before pa siya natawo. So it's called predestination because amo na ang nakadestino sa iya.
And this is regardless of the choices you make. Usually we
Yes.
believe that
Mas-
the choices we make will affect the outcome of the future.
So
Pero
what-
in this case,
Correct.
your future is already pre-decided. Regardless of how many twists and turns you take, dira ka gidigyapon ma ending. Kaya mo na imo do role sa kalibutan be.
So whatever that you do in order to change your destiny, it's pointless.
Yeah.
Because everything has been determined to begin with.
Yes.
So mo ng concepts ng predestination.
But this is
Hindi
the most
explain sa movie.
confusing, one of the most confusing, if not the confusing film I've ever seen.
Yes.
Definitely.
And by the way, for those who haven't seen it, it stars Ethan Hawke. Kagwapo kay Ethan Hawke, you know? Ay, mo type man. Konsekwent pa. Ethan Hawke. And then, sino pa?
Si
So-
Jodie Foster.
Oh, it was Samantha Snook, I think.
sorry.
yeah.
Yes,
And then it's directed by the Spirig brothers. Actually, it's not Hollywood, ha?
Hindi.
Ang mga it's Australian made. So although ginkwala nila si isa ka Hollywood actor, probably to lend a big name to it. Kaya
And if I'm not
distribute siya
mistaken-
eventually by Hollywood.
Though it's actually even based on a short story. Kung
Yeah,
do
it's a
9
short
pages
story.
lang. Although, yeah, it's a really short story lang good.
It's a sci-fi short nga story nga sang ginrelease sa 1959.
Basically, the movie talks about a man who gave birth to himself.
Yes.
Actually fell in love with himself.
Yes.
And then he killed himself.
Actually, story sa predestination, i-summarize ko na lang. It
Spoiler
started
alert,
with
by the way.
Yeah.
Oh, spoiler alert.
Let's do it
Babalo
like the
lang.
way the big networks do it.
Mm.
Up ahead is a spoiler alert.
Ang story niya nag-start siya actually with in a bar. No, and then there's this unmarried woman. And then she tells her story nga nagambal siya nga she was born a woman. Okay, ang giname saya si Jane. Although non-linear ni ang pagtell ng story, so I'm just trying to piece together ang pag-unfold sa film. Pero this is a story of Jane, and then she wanted to travel to space, outer space. So nag-try siyang mag-enroll in a space program. Then she got accepted, and then may na-discover nga intersex siya gali. Intersex siya. So may duwa siya ka-sexes. But anyway, nagbusong siya along the way. And then ang baby niya ginkuha from her by a stranger. And then as the story unfolds, we later remember nga there's this temporal agent nga wala siya name. For the benefit of the movie, wala siya ni pangalanan. Played by Ethan Hawke, who saw this Jane. Okay? Nga ginpabusong niya. And then we later learn nga Jane, because intersex siya, na nagpare-assign siya later on, kina na-aksidente siya. Okay, na-aksidente siya. Or nagpare-assign siya sang sex niya.
I believe na about to Miss doon na-reassign siya.
Na-reassign siya as okay.
Yeah,
That's
because
correct.
she gave birth.
Because she gave birth gali.
Yeah.
Yeah, correct. So she gave birth, may complications sa birth niya, surgery siya, reassign siya, and she became a man. Then later on, the audience learned nga ang man kag si Jane is the same.
Same person.
Kag dason si Manny, si temporal agent, was assigned to kill the lover ni Jane. Nga it turned out later on nga the lover and Jane are the same, and then ang kuha niya do ka self-fertilization, fertilize niya ang lawas niya. And then the baby
Paano
nga ginsteal.
Paano ma-fertilize lawas mo? I mean, in the first place.
And then the baby later on nga ginkuha from Jane, who lived in an orphanage. It turned out siya man na si Jane gali.
Do bulak wa,
And
self-pollination.
then later in the film pagid, we learned nga si temporal agent is assigned to kill the Frizzle Bomber nga psychotic. Because the Frizzle Bomber was psychotic is went mad because of excessive time travel. And then the Frizzle Bomber turned out to be
Him as well.
the temporal agent as well.
Him and her
So
at the same
that
time.
means nga he gave birth to himself and he killed himself. So na-close niya yung time travel na loop.
Yeah. In short, tamo na even if you try to explain it, no, budlay
Budlay
gid
siya
explikaron. It's one of the movies that you really have to see for yourself. And even if you
Correct.
do watch it, you might have to watch it multiple times just to
Yes.
actually get to the whole skips and timelines. And to think about it, doon natin professor, ning isa mo lang katao, wala doon Eddie Murphy, wala nga style. Pero it's actually one person. It's one character throughout the whole movie. Galing it's multiple timelines, which also somehow galain mo ng sitwasyon niya kada timeline nga ginasulod niya at the same time.
But if you come to think of it, this film, by the way, is a BAB film.
Yeah.
Meaning it's a bawal ang bobo film.
Heard that, yep.
If you
Bawal ang
only
bobo.
use half of your brain, whatever that brain is, you won't understand the
Yeah,
movie.
Yeah.
If you're the type of audience nga nanamian ka lang niya sa boy meets girl, girl leaves boy, they meet again, girl has a disease, they have to they have to reconcile before girl dies. This is not for you.
Video mo muna sa Japon.
Because-
Actually, Japon, galing kay si boy is
With a
also
twist.
the girl.
Exactly, no?
Boy meets self.
Pero
Boy
it's a
meets
very layered siya nga film. Eh. It's a layered film. And if you're going to miss a single scene, you're going to get lost really.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
So kinanglan mo gining attention, maski mangingi ka lang daw or mag-cook ka lang sa popcorn mo, you have to pause it.
Dapat may
Okay.
orinula ka, no?
Matupad ka na lang sa
Hindi ka
urinal.
rin pakatiter ka na lang.
Yeah.
Hindi ka
So,
mag...
kung usual Nicholas Sparks, siguro nga fan ka and natatakan if you're going to watch a film and the main purpose for you watching the film is just to simply put your brain on pause, hindi siya pwede. Because it really makes you think.
It's a 2014 film, and by the way, from 2012 2010 to 2014, I remember three movies which talk about time. One was Inception.
Yeah.
Next was Cloud Atlas. And then 2014, it's Predestination.
Predestination.
Except for Inception, ining duha ka mga movies did not make good at the box office actually.
Yeah.
Ang Cloud Atlas was like it spent 100 million. Nag-gross siya only 10.
Wow.
Something like that. I'm not sure with the figures, pero definitely wala siya nag-make money. Perhaps because of the intellectual nature of the movie. I don't know.
I think that's it, ganun, Sir Julius. Okay, for me, the plot of this movie, again, was extremely complicated. But to transfer it into film was probably even more complicated. If you actually watch the movie itself, no, damo somehow those semi-clues na ginabilin. And ginabilin ang clues nga way ginapakita na yung face, why ano ginapakita ang... And I think that was done intentionally para medyo hindi ka lang gid madula. So I think the biggest challenge here for the director was even to simplify something that was so complicated para lang maintindihan. And probably that's why siguro hindi siya muna ka-hit gid sa box office. No? Kahit damo ka lang tao sini para ma-relax.
Correct.
Iniya hindi ka guro ma-relax gid yan.
Correct.
Mabilin ka nga.
Mas stress ka.
And
If you plan to watch this with friends, I suggest you watch it first. And then watch it with friends, and then tulo ka mga reaction nila right after the credits roll. Kaya amo mo na tsura mo siguro sa first time mo sa kanilang tao.
But if you come to think of it, I think one very, very obvious theme is actually time.
Yeah.
Next would be about, if you dig deeper, it also talks about the concept of gender.
Yeah.
Gender, because this man is, for all intents and purposes, bisexual. Or
Hermaphrodite. Actually.
Hermaphrodite.
actually,
Aphrodite.
intersex siya eh. So he has
Inter-
both sexes.
both,
Oo.
gid, yeah.
Hindi lang genders, kahit both sexes gid siya ara. So,
And the possibility of this, I think I've heard, it really is possible. I think I read this article before. Nga there was this this girl in high school who excelled so much in sports. Kukusog-kusog siya. And I think she made it all the way to the college level. Nga successful athlete siya, track, if I'm not mistaken. And then when she reached a certain age, do 19 or 20 to siya, I think she actually started developing her male organs. Kag na-disqualify siya from everything. Galing kaya suboto kay may nobyo siya. She had a normal functioning life. Galing kaya isang nagwa ng iyang secret nga siya mismo wala man actually kabalo. Everything totally changed for her. Him. Or kung ano man.
And I think one thing that the movie highlighted is the fact that we are so obsessed with the concept of time travel, actually.
Yeah.
We are so obsessed. Apart from the fact that time is also a relative concept. But if we ask Dr. Stephen Strange, we
Marvel.
don't learn from science, but we learn from the movies. According to Dr. Strange, may pila ka stones in the universe. Time, space, reality, power, ano pa gid? Muta
Ano gani? Soul! May soul! Pagali, soul!
Ano pa gid?
Mind stone. Thank
Ang
you, Doc.
shabu, wala na lakip, no?
Ano na guro ang pagkuklito sa
Well, actually, lain na ang approach ni ni Predestination sa mga all the other films that deal with time. I think na-mention kagina ni Doc Austin ang Marvel's Endgame, Avengers Endgame. Nga nag-talk man siya about the concept of time and space, no? Nga travel, nga gina-breach mo ang time and space na continuum. And in the case of Predestination kag si Marvel sa Avengers Endgame, no, maka-interact sila with their past selves and with their future selves.
Correct.
Lain niya ang concept sang time naman niya sang isa naman ka film nga Donnie Darko, for example,
Exactly.
or isang Butterfly Effect nga wala hindi sila hindi ang concept of time travel nila hindi sila maka-interact with their past selves kundi
They
may
can't meet
inahabit
themselves.
nila yan
Yes. So,
ang self nila at that time, so may
the different
may
consciousness
way sila,
galing. Yeah. Oo.
even their consciousness no na nila. So may means sila yang liwaton.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pero as with the concept of namian mo ko nga concept actually iya ka Prisoner of Azkaban. It's a very underrated na film, no? But it also deals about time travel. Nga naghambal si isa ka character na dira, si Dumbledore, nga there are a lot of infinite possibilities, like what Doctor Strange says, no? May 14 billion possibilities ang end game. Ang hambal naman niya ni Dumbledore, there are infinite possibilities nga hindi mo mapaktan because may gina-take into consideration ang ang accountability ng tao.
Yes.
Unfortunately, sa predestination, maski ano ya kaliwat, gabalik gid siya gyapon sa iya destiny.
But basically, those are actually two concepts about time.
Yeah.
No? One actually is the scientific concept of time, and the other is cultural, which I think ang movie blended. Example, when we say scientific concept, ang time as we know it is linear.
Yeah.
Yes.
Halin dire, pakadto to. Halin sa 12 o'clock sang gabi, pakadto sa 12 o'clock sang udto.
And it moves in one direction.
In one direction.
Pabanti lang gid siya yan.
Scientific. May araman concept of string theory.
Yeah.
May string theory that time is actually not linear as we know it.
Multiple
Multiple
universes.
universes and
universes.
parallel
All affecting,
universes.
yeah.
what-
One whole big universe at the same
And of course sa sine, sa Gladiator, what you do now
Yes.
echoes in eternity.
Yeah.
According to Maximus. Si Maximus,
Si Russell
hindi
Crowe.
niya ang baylihan nga ga
Hindi,
uba-uba.
hindi.
si Maximus. Eh, dyan ay pangakalokos na yaman.
Igula ka na gano'n.
Ulam pero wag ko kabalo. Wag ko.
So, very, very complicated actually if you talk about the string theory.
Yeah.
Because that is for physicists. Now, the cultural notion of time is different in the Philippines, and different in America, different in the Middle East, and in Bangkok, for example, they have the concept of rubber time. Doesn't matter if I arrive late. What matters is how I spent my time with you.
Yes.
Or it depends on the person you are talking to.
I believe that term is Indian bala. Kaysa ila man gid gali ang aton niya kung may Filipino time, may araman Indian time. Ang Filipino time is late ka by 1 hour. Ang Indian time is late ka by 6 hours.
Siling ko gid Indian
That's
nun yan.
why, may ara term na
Pasaylo ko
Indian
to,
nun
guro,
niya
ay.
naman ko ni. Kailain man niya ang concept sang
Okay.
time nila. Oo.
I was today years old when I learned about that. Guwapo.
Yeah. Before we went into the taping, no, si Jay mentioned something about Arrival, which
Yeah.
is one of it's one of those films about aliens. Na love gid ko ya. Because
Same.
again, it deals with the concept of a non-linear timeline.
Yes.
Kay we know how it ended.
Yeah.
The kid died, di ba?
Yeah.
May kid siya, napatay. Dason ang iya nga ba na nagbulagay sila ni Jeremy, si Jeremy Renner patay ba na. And then she learned later on nga napatay.
Yes.
Because yung aliens gali are also trying to contact them in a language that
Yeah.
is also parallel to non-linear nga ano.
And
So
apparently,
non-linear man ang
amo na ang silat, okay, since they see time as non-linear, dili naman sa Arrival niya, since they see time as non-linear, technically language is non-linear as well.
Yes.
Okay, there's no sense talking forward. We could actually, ang do term doon nila was, they could say one paragraph with one symbol.
Correct.
In a sense. That contains that much information only simply because kay why pasunod. Wala sang
unlike
isa
sa
ka
aton,
direction.
yung pagbasa tanga from left to right,
Yeah.
ang basa nila
As a whole.
As a whole.
Up, down, left,
So,
right,
katahom nga-
even depth, dala siguro sa
ang depth,
perception.
oo,
sa
correct.
tanan. And
Multiple
siguro amo na siguro din
dimensions.
sa predestination. No? Like, if I compare it to all of the other time travel, namuta mo gito, there's Back to the Future,
Yes,
bisan maamo ko
of
na bahapaw
course.
ka muna. Pero if you look at the whole time and space continuum, the only reason why man is so fascinated with time travel is because probably damo ta regrets nga gusto ta balikan. Kaya
Exactly.
If you had the chance, would you actually go back? Kaya muna sa predestination eh. Ang thing nila there was sakit to paminsan pero sa predestination, it started out with that.
Yeah.
If you could kill the one person that actually messed up your whole
True.
life, would you?
It would be you.
Yes, and that was the whole revelation siguro of the whole thing was that somehow, some way, you are still free to make your own choices, but your choices are based on your tendencies, and your tendencies will somehow eventually determine how everything plays out and what your purpose is in all of this. Kumbaga, whether it's linear or non-linear, galing kita mo nakabudlay sa aton insidihon because our brains are somehow patterned toward the linear. we operate through patterns and everything, pero hindi ta na mag-grasp.
Or perhaps because we have placed a price on time.
Yes.
I mean,
Yes.
culture as we know it is you should be productive using your time.
Yeah.
Meaning, at the end of the day, you should have money.
Yeah.
There should be a financial equivalent of the time you spent. Actually, time is a resource in current
It is.
culture. It's something that you make money from
Yes.
and you can convert into
Yeah.
money. But then again, the question is it good or bad? Or I don't know.
Well, I'm gonna with that being said, very good point, Sir Julius. No, the whole saying time is gold. Imagine gold standard yan time, because actually, amo magito, if you provide services for people, you're paying people for their time, for what
Correct.
they actually do, their expertise and this and that. Pero tiyan mo na nga by the hour ang iba niya tao. But equating time as a resource, that's one very fascinating way to look at it, because if it is a resource, then it can also be bent somehow. It can also be manipulated to a point wherein you could dilate time and use it accordingly. Kaya amo na gani kay Einstein naman niya. Time is an illusion.
Correct.
Yet time
Yes.
is relative to
Correct.
space. So it's not necessarily nga kung 30 anyos ka na subong, dapat may amo ka na ni, dapat may amo ka na kaya muna ang time gina-afford si mo. Yet at the same time, you're also measuring the space that you cover within the 30 years. It's not just
it's
the
a
time.
social construct,
It
actually.
is. And in fact, if you look at another movie, which is Inception, as you descend lower sa imo
Yeah.
dreams,
Yeah.
ang
Ang
concept
concept of
of time
It's
changes.
dilated as well.
If you look at Ant-Man,
Yeah.
the more you become smaller,
Yeah.
ang concept of time also
diminishes.
changes.
Yes.
So meaning,
Yeah.
time is tied up to space.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
And amo
There's
gani
even no time kuno in space
Yes.
because it's a social
But
construct.
then
So
again, both time and space are things that you actually monetize. These have monetary value. Time ko, empleyado ko, I work 8 hours, you pay me this much.
Yes.
Space, ginaarkilahan ta. You pay me this much for this amount of space.
Yet at the same time, when nagbay Sir Julius, I pay you for 8 hours, for example. Yet sa 8 hours mo, ma-achieve mo twice as much as this other person achieves
Correct.
in 8 hours. Then that's space covered somehow. Hindi maging sa literal physical space, but it's the space that you cover with the time afforded to you. So dira gasulod ang expertise. Ikaw kaya mo man siguro mga karpintero ko gano. Galing kung may karpintero, dasig-dasig di gina yung maobra compared to you. In a sense, if you look at it that way, which is amo na gani ang ginaano ni Einstein is that we are probably fixated too much on the concept of time being forward and time being absolute, in a sense. When in fact it's not. It's relative to space. And space is not necessarily boxed into what is physical as well. Because space is literally what you convert with your time. So, mga kisa sa mga moments nga do ka happy, do ka dasig sa oras. Kung ay may ginaobra, kahinay-hinay na naman sa oras, kagano. Kaya amo na gani, it's relative. It really is relative. And this, I think, this movie, ang Predestination, it somehow emphasizes, gid, nga time is nothing without space. And the space which he covered within those eventually led to his predestination.
And that is actually very, very puzzling. If at all, the movie would make you think about time. It would. Time has a dimension, eh.
Yes.
It has a dimension. For example, as you pointed out, time varies if I'm with someone. Example, I'm wondering how would a man feel spending his time with a prostituted woman? I mean, a woman that you pay to have time with you. Perhaps after the sex, after the act, I mean, what would you do?
Yes.
Would you talk to that person? Or would you show her the door? Or would you kick her out of the door? I don't know. But if you love that someone,
Yes.
it's a different thing.
Yes.
So the concept of time is in flux. It's different from dimension to dimension.
Yes. That's true.
Yeah.
But the dimension, actually, in the film, it refers to a different space and time. But practically, kay base karon lang aton audience, ma'am, daw kinanglan ko diatabsaw.
Nalulupot na sila.
Basi
Sorry.
mental diarrhea bla. But then again, these are things
yeah.
that we should think about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Di ba? Because time is not necessarily an intellectual concept.
Yes.
We use it every day.
Yes.
Yes.
That's
pila ka minuto nga ang bugas igaang mo. Otherwise, ang tabagak pila ka oras nga ibulad mo. So it's not an entirely foreign concept
Yes.
to us.
Pero for me, ang isa sa mga kunti ka-layered yung mga films na nahambaltan na. So it talks about time and how we use time and our own accountability. Pero para sa akin, ang pinaka-nakulbaan ko sa sine is yung loss of control. I
Yes.
think it's in the Christian concept, we have free will, di ba?
Yeah.
We can do whatever we want, pero actually, it's also a paradox. Kay you can do whatever you want, kuno pro may consequence mangyapon sa ulihi. You're either going to be rewarded or punished. Pero diriya wala siya control eh. Wala siya it's actually government toying with him.
Yes.
Parang ang government is going to, that's why it's called predestination, because you don't have control over what you're going to do, over your ultimate destiny. Unlike yabi sa ubong sakon kung may manugpakot bisakon kag maghambal nga in 10 years time mapatay ka tungod sa stroke because if you're not going to change your lifestyle.
Yes.
Or 10 years time mabungguan ka sang train. Then I'm going to avoid trains.
As much as you can. of
And then
course.
I'm going to avoid smoking. Okay? I still have this control over my life.
Yes.
But with predestination, control is removed.
Yeah.
So it toys with the concept.
Oh, interesting.
What if there's a puppet master
Yes.
and you have no control over your life?
But then again, it could
That's
mean
scary.
a lot of things to, it could mean different things to different people,
Yes.
like you pointed out. It could be a political film.
Yeah.
It could be.
It could be
Yeah.
a
I think it
dystopian
could be,
movie
And for me, it's a dystopian movie.
for you.
Yes.
But for me, nga, drowning in self-doubt, regrets. For example, mabal ko, this movie talks about me
Yes.
because I want to go back to the past and mend my ways. So it could mean a different thing. And it could also be a scientific discussion about time.
Yeah.
It could also be a philosophical construct about time.
Yeah.
Pasensya, hindi kami bulol. It's The Mask.
Ginakaon lang sa
Damn you,
normal.
COVID.
Pero tayo mo na, even sa relating it to this, to our situation, subong, no, with what happened to
Yes.
COVID and everything, ang time somehow stopped. Somehow naghinay siya. Somehow
True.
it wasn't at the same pace that it used to be. Pero tayo mo na ganun, regardless of what happened throughout that time, it was still a couple of months that went by. Pero it felt like years. Naubrahan taman at the same time, whether you were productive or not during that period. Somehow, some way, it still meshes into the whole way. Like, ang imo to balambal na sana, for example, nga, you die in a train accident 10 years from now, for example. You stay away from trains your whole life. But what if your future self, if you survive, nga wala ka na kanon, pero 50 years from now, when time travel is eventually invented, you go back and you throw yourself, your past self, in front of a train. Kaya that's how it's supposed to happen, in a sense. Di ba kagamo? Kagamo
Yes.
paminsan ron. And to think about it, ang imo na ginahambal nga, the people on top, the people who actually have a better perspective of what time was and how it is, somehow, some way, they do manipulate everyone else that does not understand. So ang ano lang na siguro is, it's not for us. It's not even about a whole government thing. Pero if you see yourself as being a different person at every time, whether it's post-COVID, pre-COVID, or anything else, whether you come to that realization or not, it makes a whole world of difference in terms of how you run your life.
What you mentioned actually is tackled in another film na may time travel man. Yung mga temporal agents, Looper.
Looper, yeah.
Yeah, Looper. With
Mas hapaw ni
Bruce
siya
Willis.
actually nga version sa Predestination. Kaya I
Yeah.
saw Predestination first. And then I saw
Yes.
Looper after. Tanan
And
niya upod
then-
ko sa Looper na amazed. Pero magwala pa na eh.
Diba? The character ni
Interesting.
Bruce Willis was trying to change
Yeah.
eventually, but he, in the process of changing it, he created this little monster.
Yes, exactly. Oh.
And just
The
like
Rainmaker.
just like the platform, actually, again, you go back to changing concepts. Time is a fluid concept.
Yes.
It varies from culture to culture, from space to space. Pero halimbawa, kung ako ang palabasa ko Biblia, kung ikaw nagasinggit, ibagsak, it's a different movie.
Yes.
It's about the establishment being unfair to us.
Yes.
If ang ako niya gakanta ko Shine Jesus Shine, it becomes a different movie.
Yeah. Yeah,
because
true.
it tackles about the concept of uh, des- destiny and free will. And free will. Because in the Bible, you talk, I will not talk about the Bible, pero there's the concept
The Christian
of
concept of
being
free will.
destined.
Yeah. That's a paradox already on its own.
Paradox
Exactly.
man
It
siya.
is. It
you
is.
exist to make
Paradox.
decisions, yet at the same time, all your decisions are practically pointless. Sa punta. Kung amo na siya, ha?
Although the Japanese has something about that, no? That what you are doing actually is destined, but you do something out of your free will until
Yes.
your destiny is unraveled.
Yes.
No, it's not the Japanese. It's the Viking warriors.
Ah,
May skin, may ara na. Diba sa
The
concept
skins
sa
of
una,
time.
may time and your destiny, si the fates.
Yeah.
The fates.
Mm.
The fates actually wound the skin of your life.
Yeah.
Not the skin nga ang panit ha, it's the
Skin.
S-K-E-I.
Skin.
In.
In, skin.
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 Threads, actually.
So,
Oo.
Danay pa. Full disclosure, wala kami nakasuyop katsubong ha. Wala kami maging suyop marijuana siya buo na no dira.
Epekto
This
lang.
is a discussion.
Epekto ni isang sini. Epekto
Isang
gini
sini.
isang sini. And regardless of, going back to
Or
the
mas
movie.
isang lindang.
Pwede man na rin daw. Namin to sir. Thank you. Good. But regardless of, I think the movie, regardless of what its point was, Pedro Pilacatiyo, ginobra niya, the bottom line is, it got you to think.
It
did.
did. It
And
really
the moment that you start thinking, it expands your mind to that different dimension as well. Nga tod man, what are you doing with your time? Why not make the decisions now in the present? Because technically, the only thing that actually exists is the present. Ang past natabo na, ang future wala pa. But you are now in the present, and you are always in the present. So what can you do right now in this present to make sure nga hindi na ako magbalik pilakadlaw? Like nalipay na ako diri sa kundiin ko subong. Or at least have a clear vision nga. Diba they saying all of us somehow at one point when we die, we will have a flashback of our life. So why not have that in your head right now, in every moment that you can? Nga, te, dalani siya sa flashback ko. I might as well make it worth it. I might as well make something out of it. Nga, te, kung magalambot ko dira,
Yes.
kag matagaan ko tsansa nga na-invent ng time travel, I wouldn't have to go back. There's no need for it.
That is very interesting because I think this very rigid notion of time that it is, it travels forward. Ang time and space continuum is only forward. Always forward.
And linear.
Forward, always forward.
Video okay, gini ko rin pagkatapos.
So, amo man ang create sa aton anxiety because we
Yes.
plan for the future. We have all our laid out plans.
And you have the ghost of the past pa.
And then we have to go. And if something happens to
Our best
That-
laid plans.
best laid plans, that actually is a cause for,
Yeah.
it makes you depressed,
Yeah.
makes you anxious.
It makes you waste time
it
in the present. Right now.
exactly.
Well, amo na siguro ganun, Sir Julius. Like, the whole continuum thing, that's true. Time is forward. The only thing available is the present. But the thing is, you can't take away ang pag-interconnected sang imo nga past kag sang imo nga future. Kaya somehow, some way, they still do affect your present. And whatever you do now, they're all tied up. Amo lang siguro ka pinakasimple nga message ng sini. Ginliteral lang nila nga ikaw gid ang galumpat-lumpat, pero it could be your different points of your life. Nga sa una sa 18 anyos ka laing ka magdesisyon, asa sa naglambot ka 30, 40, 50 or whatever, but technically whatever point in your life, it has been affected by a previous decision that you have made. But to remain in this time period somehow makes you more efficient in getting towards your goals toward the future. Dalom to, sakit sa ulo.
No,
Pero
no, wala na No, indeed. Because I think we actually think too much about time.
yeah.
If there is something that we, in the words of Foucault, problematize, it's always about time. Maybe because life moves on at a very fast pace. I don't know now, after the COVID, have we become kinder? Because time is slowing down eh.
I think human beings have seen their kindest and their least kindest versions of themselves throughout this whole ordeal. No? Pero tayo mo na ganun, that's probably the best part is because when time stops, like here sa COVID, you're faced with yourself. Same as with the movie, somehow, some way. When you're given the opportunity nga mauntat mong kalibutan, kung mauntat mo na tanan, ang atubang mo Japon, lawas mo lang.
True.
And when you're at that point, then you can determine again. There's no sense moving forward if you don't determine where you start first. Wala puntong imo destinasyon kung ay man maging suguran in the first place. And at the same time, if you're moving towards nothing, then you're not really moving at all.
And
think
if you
about
go back to the movie, the different characters, one, there's the bomber.
Yeah.
Just
Two,
different
there's the
characters.
one who gave birth.
Mm.
So it can also mean the twin characters of man.
Mhm.
You can create, you
And
can
you can
also
also
destroy.
destroy.
Yes.
And may isa pa gid ka sub-theme nga you should learn to love yourself.
Literal
This
na
one
love
takes it to a
yourself.
whole new level. Some self-love na gid ya.
Grabe.
On every level siguro.
Pero you know,
Emotionally or physically.
nakakinigid ang system sa iya. Because it used the same person to actually, it used that same person to kill itself in the future. Wala na sila nag-hire sang iban.
Tuod na.
Yeah.
Kag
Give
ang ano
birth.
man nanda siguro gani is he technically killed himself in the future,
Yes.
but then again he left himself in the past, and killing himself in the future somehow paved the way for his future again. Amo na ang paradox
Yeah.
niya.
Amo na ang paradox nga, you really cannot escape from
Yes.
whatever higher order has in store for you.
But if you bring it down to folk wisdom, it could also mean mind your own business, kalot your own arikis. Or
Kung pasimplihon mo lang
kung
bino,
pasimplihan
tuod
mo,
nga.
imo kaugalingon, imo bakiro.
Mhm.
But it could mean that, no? It
Yeah.
could not mean like that.
Yeah.
But
And-
then again, that's the paradox.
Pero tama na gani siguro, like, with that being said, the only way that you can make other people better is to work on yourself first. Amo lang na siguro ang pinaka-simple nga, even with that analogy, no? If you think about it, ang iya tong ginobra, it affected thousands of people, whether it be the life of them or the death of them. Pero sa tood lang, if you watch the movie and you see how many breaks there were sa timeline, damo-damo gito sa tarin obra para untat na ginitanan niya. Galing kay again, it's your tendencies. And as he continues to work on himself throughout this paradox, kaya gabansi, mag-isa nga gabansi throughout the movie, but as he continues to work through himself, on himself, herself, or whatever that was. Pero that's somehow, amo na kadako man ang apekto niya sa people around him without other people even knowing it.
But what if in the end, ang movie gali was all about masturbation?
Amo na ang pinaka-ending.
Amo na ang pinakalain.
ending.
Question goes from-
Gapinsa ng author, ginapadalman nila nga.
Kaysa utok mo, doon mo na matabong abi ang utok nila, ipamasturbate na naman. Bing.
Going back sa ginambali, Jay,
Yes.
that's true, no? Kadamo, ang gin-spend niya sa time travel, kung gin-spend niya to some other
Yeah.
productive means. But the question is, would he have existed to begin with? Or would the bomber have existed to begin with? And would the killing and the missions be made possible if the system didn't meddle to begin with?
And amo na gani ang
Kung
question
wala-
pagid mi sana.
diba?
Base ang system pa yung nagbutang gid sa imo dira
Correct.
because they know
Base
your
experiment
tendencies
siya.
and to make everything loop around for the benefit of the system man Japon.
And if you go back to the movie The Matrix, you might
Yeah.
have been just a glitch
In the system.
in the system. Eba?
Technically si Ethan Hawke amo na siya. He was
Ang
the
glitch.
which was gin ano lang gin pasbangda again ano lang gin panghimuslan lang sang sistema.
So,
But then
Kaya
again,
sa-
the system could be about God.
Yeah, it could be.
It could be anything.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Kaya even God, mo na to, ginapatiyog-tiyog niya ta through this loop nga again. If this movie is about this person being a paradox, life is a paradox. It's a collection of nga mga paradox technically. Kagte ko lang taon mo ang system nga ginbutang niya si Ethan Hawke dira para magsigi-sigi for the purpose of the greater good in a sense. Somehow isn't that what religion kind of talks about as well? I wouldn't even dwell on the fact nga sa personal relationships with God and beliefs and everything. Pero that's how organized religion somehow works as well. Ito pakabuot ka para
And in the end, if you go back to the song of Depeche Mode, Blasphemous Rumors, yeah, diba? It could end that movie. I don't want to start any blasphemous rumors
When I die,
because I think that God
has a sixth sense of humor.
And when I die, I expect to find Him laughing. All right.
that's true.
But would you recommend Predestination?
Yes, watch it. Amo na akong recommendation na. Watch it by yourself first. And then watch it with other people para masadya.
If you want to doubt your own existence,
Yes.
watch it. Pero ako, yeah, I really enjoyed it. It's not one of those films that you want to watch nga nga stressed ka katama kay madugang stress mo. So you watch it on a weekend, okay, after having a few beers probably. And then watch it by yourself, like what Jay said. And then watch it with friends and watch the reaction.
Yes.
But word of caution, kung may ginapangalawigan ka nga babae nga maalam, indigid.
Indigid, guro.
Indigid. Kay basi mauwian ka.
Ang fact, guro, nga nag-sex siya with himself, dirap lang, guro, guba na tanan niya tsansa mo, guro.
Uy, pwede gali without a partner, ha?
Hindi ko na siya kalanlang gali in the future. Ang libido, guro, manubo, gina.
And that was our episode for today here on the Popcorn Collective. I'm Julius Maraveles.
I'm Hannah Papasin.
I'm JS Vino.
And once again, like they do it in big networks, this
Is
the
the Popcorn
Popcorn
Collective.
Good day.